Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to bake delicious tender turkey wings in the oven. Okay, so let's get started. We have an onion, a green bell pepper, some carrots, and some celery. Okay, so first things first, we are going to season these veggies. Now that's not something that's really mandatory, but I like adding seasoning to my veggies, so that's what we're going to do. All right. Going in with some Creole seasoning. And now I'm going in with some garlic powder. Some onion powder. Some black pepper. So that's about 1 teaspoon of everything. And now I'm just gonna mix this. Drizzle a little olive oil on these veggies too. All right. All right, so I'm gonna set these aside and we're gonna get started on the turkey. All right, so we're gonna go in with some Creole seasoning. And I'll have all the ingredients and the details in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Garlic powder. Some onion powder. Some red pepper. Parsley. And some black pepper. Alright, so you guys, you want to preheat your oven to 380. This is a 9 by 12 inch pan. Now I'm going to take those veggies and I'm going to just put them at the bottom of this pan. Like so. Okay guys, so we're gonna cover this with some foil and we're gonna be putting it in the oven on 380 for about 2 hours.